就是我们说到了这个 AI 啊，因为呢，这个我常常讲，这个 AI 这2个字特别的棒啊，是我们这个时代的灵魂。它是怎么样考虑它这个 IP 的创意，以及怎么找到这个 IP 的？有请施伟老师。
我是一个就是对新鲜事物特别感兴趣的人。那我其实
会长是华文学的总编辑，他曾经担任黑龙江省电视台电视剧责编和编剧11年。1987年就为中国电视艺术家写的男生比较少啊，所以这是熊猫啊，熊猫级的啊，国宝级。这个史德亮博士啊。史德亮呢是博士工程师，是作家，美国中文作家协会永久会员，美国化学工程师。
We can control our image, we can control our information, and that we can get people to respond to us. With the old searches, I ask about Bill Ironhofer's new documentary, I get a link.
Yes. Today, with AI, we are facing a transformative that reaches far beyond production, and it's redefining who creates and who controls and who gets to dream big. So today, we are joined by our 3 remarkable guests, so to each present a unique lens of what is coming. And so first, we want to give each guest 1 minute to 90 seconds to explain today what's their opinion about how AI is redefining production and power. So we start from William.
Thank you very much, Cici. So I come from the Hollywood world and I work in the China world. I lost my voice a little bit last night. And so the way it's redefining Hollywood is the screenwriters are all concerned, the actors are all concerned, the production teams are all concerned, but they're all now taking a focus towards it's happening, we've got to embrace it, we've got to move forward. So the screenwriters are looking at it as saying, okay, maybe you can help me put together some scripts a little faster. It's still going to need my heart to make it a meaningful script because AI hasn't gotten to the point where it's got the emotion and such like that.
Historian. I teach art history. I write the most iconic art history textbook, and now I'm thinking of including AI movie in my textbook in the contemporary art chapter, which is unthought of before. And when I
3个月，我们的号就做了130万粉丝，我现在这个号有1600万粉丝。
哇，很惊人的，
已经恐怖到，而且这全部是我一个人做出来的剪辑、拍摄、剪辑，能够让人完成。